Hi guys, I think today is gonna be the day I clean up and get rid of all of this because it is a whole situation and it's been a long time coming. I need to clean my closet so bad. So my drawers broke again this morning, so I think it was a sign. And I've been doing that thing where you move your clothes from the bed to the sofa at night so I can sleep in my bed, and then from the sofa to the bed in the morning. And I've been doing that for like, I swear, 2 months, and that's bad. So as you can see, I had a situation this morning. I was trying to find one piece of clothing, and so I couldn't open my drawers, so I just took it out and I just stuffed it all over my bed. And I think this is broken. It snapped in half, and the one down here that used to be here, it already broke, so I threw it away. And I don't know, does anyone know if you need these? Like, will it still work without it? Pretty bad. So I might have to go to Home Depot or something and fix this. I threw away this one because I was just frustrated. So I wonder if they can, I don't know. I have no idea. I need to go through this. So this is like my second closet in my studio, but normally I have like my bikinis and workout clothes in here, but this is also very full, and I just have a bunch of clothes I need to put away here and also here. So it's just a whole situation. So I'll go through this drawer first. Honestly, I have a problem of holding onto things. I just have shit everywhere. Oh my god. Blah. So anything I haven't worn in like the last few months, I definitely need to get rid of. So clearly I like animal print, guys. Hello. We're making progress. This is first pile of clothes to get rid of. I'm gonna have to do some operation on these drawers because they're broken, but I'm gonna have to fold all of these. I also need to go through my jeans, so at least we're making progress. So I have 2 more drawers left. I need to go through this. My god, guys, I can't even get the drawer open. I think it's broken. I don't know if I'll be able to use this drawer. Oh, god dang it. I'm just gonna take out all the jeans that I have and go through these. You're supposed to be able to put it underneath and it'll fix it, so this is what it looks like. The instructions. Tread through the metal brackets as per diagram. Got my little screwdriver to look this up. Put it in like this. I think this is what it said. And then wow. Clearly I am not a handy person. think I need to buy a new drawer. So I went to the little hardware store and I got Gorilla Glue, duct tape, Gorilla duct tape, regular glue, so hopefully this will work. So I had to call for help. I begged my friend to come over and help me. Sometimes you just need a dude to do some of this repair work for you, and it turned out so good. So first we used this Gorilla Glue and we put it in like the seams here, and then we let it sit for about 20 minutes and put some weight on it so that it would stay in there, and then he could install the drawer doctor, which is this bracket, and it has this thing, whatever you call this, and so it kind of just prevents it from sagging again. So this is a good thing to do when you buy Ikea furniture especially, and I would recommend doing this in the beginning when you first assemble it before it gets to the point of it being super bad. So it's this drawer doctor. I can leave a link so you guys can shop it. And I even used some good old duct tape here because the screw part broke, so I just needed to put it down and fix that. Currently have duct tape on this little part. I don't really care how this looks because it's hidden in my closet anyways, and it's just a mess that I have to clean up. But I am so happy about my drawers. At least I can still use it and I don't have to buy a brand new. So now all I have to do is still go through this pile of clothes. Yay. Just got back from getting my mail, and of course I got more clothes. Oh my gosh, it is cleared. I cannot tell you how freaking excited I am that all of my clothes, you saw that disaster. It is the next day. Last night I stayed up pretty late cleaning everything, but look at this. I even have space left in this one a little bit. The only thing I have left to really put away is this big pile right here, and I'm gonna have to hang this, but so amazing. So this is a pile that I have to put away, and it's here because I need to hang it, but I'll show you guys a close-up of my drawers that are all cleared out. So I got denim and some skirts in here. I got rid of so many clothes. More tops in here. A lot of my crop tops are in here. I realized I have a ton of crop tops. And look at this extra space. So I'm trying to figure out what I want to put there. I put my jeans up here. I actually fit a decent amount, but I can keep stacking it if need be. This was the best solution I could work with right now. Bikinis, and I have workout clothes, so I still need to go through all of this. And I'm gonna go through my closet now so I can hang up these dresses. Most of these are dresses. So this is my bed. I can see my bed. I cannot tell you how exciting this is. It's gonna be a hot one today. Hi guys, I got a little busy during the week with work, so I didn't finish all of my cleaning out of my closet. So today I'm gonna clean out my other closet, finally. So this side, so this closet's in my studio. I have some hats and stuff there. I have my hula costumes and I have some other shoes here, so I'm gonna go through my clothes and I'll probably reorganize this later. As you can see, I still have a lot of stuff.
Get rid of, I don't know, should I keep this one? I kind of like it. Spitters are a little expensive too. You know what, we're gonna keep them. So many like empty hangers, like, wow. Look at all these hangers. Can we talk about all these hangers? Oh, there's dust on here. So this is the huge pile of clothes. Probably gonna take up like 2 trash bag fulls. So gonna sell some, gonna donate some, so we'll see how it goes. All right, so I got 5 full trash bags full of clothes that I got rid of. This is honestly the best feeling. I pretty much cleared out half my closet, I would say. I have a few bags that I am planning on selling them, and then the other ones I'm just going to donate to Goodwill.